Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can create a Reddit account, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a Reddit account on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to reddit.com. You're going to click on to this login button at the top right corner of the page, and then you're going to click on to sign up right next to new to Reddit. You're going to put in your email address here. After that, you're going to click continue on here, and then you're going to receive a 6-digit verification code on your email address. So just open up your email address and put the verification code on the Reddit website like this, and then select continue. Select a username for yourself, put in a password for your account, and then click continue on here. And you can fill in all of those details, but I'm just going to click skip on them. And you're done. So you've successfully created an account on Reddit. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to create an account on Reddit. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.